Now what will happen, Panama City to Mexico Beach, in this zone, you're going to break out into sunshine briefly. We go from like intense, crazy hurricane conditions to calm, and then you get the backside. It doesn't last very long, and we'll have to do a measurement tool to see how wide that eye is. But 150-mile-per-hour winds embedded in this eye wall. A ton of lightning. This is very, very intense. The most intense hurricane we've ever seen hit the Panhandle. It is a very strong Category 4. Mexico Beach, Panama City in the worst of it right now. But then these bands that are spiraling around, they contain destructive winds as well. And you're talking about over 40 miles out from the center. You're going to see very destructive hurricane force winds. It's going to knock down trees. It's going to cause damage to property, and then it's going to cause power outages. And as we go farther in time, because the system is moving so rapidly, it will maintain some strength even so far inland as Albany, Georgia. So they're under a hurricane warning. Dothan's under a hurricane warning, one of our sister stations down there. Montgomery, you're not. You're just outside where some of the worst weather is going to be. Now that tells a whole different story. Amazing. This is incredible flooding video. Yeah, you're going to have to get water rescued from your home. Look at all those homes under water, almost to the first floor windows there. And unfortunately, in this area, the water levels will continue to rise. You can see it moving. Look at the cars being swallowed by the heavy precipitation, the floodwaters right now. A scary scene in Midfield. Hopefully nobody was in those vehicles. Everything is moving up from the south and west, and if it moves over the same areas, that training effect with this heavy precipitation could cause additional flooding farther to the east. Now, some minor flooding possible right now, Shelby County, where we have a flood advisory in effect. Also Bibb County, watch out for some flooding, and Tuscaloosa County. We're starting to see, though, this is some better news. West, look at that, across southwestern Jefferson County back towards Tuscaloosa. The precipitation rate is decreasing, so we hope that trend continues, and that will likely be the case, but it is increasing on the other side of things as we look up towards Crystal Springs. I want to give you a first alert. Could even see some stronger wind gusts from these storms, but that's headed right for Jacksonville.
Walking down the street, robbing some, breaking in, entering.
I've seen Jill do that in the Weather Center when she gets a forecast right.
She does.
Yeah,
totally
just
do
like
it. You know,
this right here. No, she's like not having it.
What? All right, that's it. That's not too much. Don't want to go overboard. All right, let's talk about what's happening out there. 89 degrees right now in Tuscaloosa, so it's hot. It's getting sticky. Those puffy clouds are starting to form out there, and you notice those 90s and 80s off to the west, and then a difference off to the east. A tropical system is bringing in those rain showers and clouds from east to west because of its counterclockwise circulation. Starting to see more showers popping up right on time. As we take a look at first alert Doppler, lighter showers forming far east. Then you get over towards Pell City, down towards Clanton, Sylacauga. First alert for some heavy downpours. That's it for you. And we're watching things even off to the west. A few little sprinkles starting to develop across Lamar County. So we'll see this trend increasing from this point on. More showers, a few thunderstorms popping up. What you can expect, some heavy downpours, maybe a gusty wind producer, but most of the more intense storms are going to be across Florida into Georgia, where we only have one warning right now. So these are just rain producers, and maybe that free car wash in store for you today, or maybe that watering of the lawn and garden we all need. Let's walk you through the forecast hour by hour. Let's get into the afternoon hours. More pop-up showers and a few thunderstorms. They're 6 o'clock, so this could impact your commute, your evening plans. If there's a game you're going to or a practice, again, there will be some interruption. As we get into the latter part of the evening hours, you'll notice even a flare up that you would expect during the afternoon. So this system is going to bring us clusters of showers and thunderstorms. Again, nothing severe going through tonight, and kind of quieting down as we start off tomorrow morning. As we get into tomorrow afternoon, you're going to see another flare up of showers and storms. We have the region's tradition. Tea time looks fine. It's during the afternoon. You'll have to keep an ear out for that thunder. You hear it, you go inside, you be safe. Thursday, we'll see another spike of showers and thunderstorms that could interrupt the Barons game going into the weekend. We have a ton of events going on like Doodah Day. There are scattered showers and storms in the forecast. Go into a graduation. Just keep your fingers crossed you don't get hit by that rain. Again, each afternoon a good chance. 89 today, 68 tonight with scattered area rain and storms. 86 for tomorrow. First alert 7-day. You see the icons each and every day. There's a chance for showers and thunderstorms. Now that chance may vary a little bit in coverage from 40 to maybe 60%, but that will keep down temperatures a little bit. Very sticky out there. The frizz factor is high. Overnight lows are looking warm as well into the upper 60s to around 70 degrees.